You ever wake up with legs that feel like they slept in cement? Tight hips, stiff hamstrings, ankles that don't want to cooperate? This routine is your lower body reset button. Let's hit the mat. This one's not pretty, but it works. Start with feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Drop into a deep squat, elbows inside your knees, palms together in prayer. Shift gently side to side. Rock your weight forward and back. Let your hips start talking to the floor. This isn't just a stretch. It's a wake-up call to your ankles, knees, hips, and even your lower back. I promise 60 seconds here can undo hours of sitting. Beginners, hold on to a chair or wall if balance is off. Advanced stretches, keep your heels down and try to lift your chest higher. Feel that tension in your inner thighs yet? If not, push your elbows gently against your knees. Now, let's drop even deeper into the hips. Slide your right knee forward, shin across the mat, and extend the left leg back, lower down slowly. This isn't a race, it's a release. Let gravity do the work as you breathe into your right hip. If it's intense, you're doing it right. Did you know that the glutes are emotional storage units? And this stretch, it's a flush. I promise if you hold this, you'll feel lighter when you stand up. Ready to switch sides? Left leg forward, right leg long. Do you notice one side feels tighter? That's not random, that's your lifestyle showing up in your body. Stay with it, just 5 more seconds. You just cleared 2 of the tightest joints in the body. Now we go even deeper on your back. Lie on your back, hug your right knee in toward your chest, anchor your opposite leg long and straight. Relax your shoulders, breathe into the hip crease. This stretch targets your hip flexor origin, a spot that really gets attention but affects everything about how you walk, stand, and sit. I promise this move realigns your pelvis and decompresses your lower spine. Switch legs. Now the left knee comes in. Right leg lengthens, still holding your breath. Let it go. That's half the work here. Feel the back starting to loosen up? Good. Let's take it vertical. Stand tall, feet wide, and now slowly fold forward, reaching hands to the floor or toward your toes. You can sway gently side to side or pulse your hands across from ankle to ankle. This is your posterior chain reboot, hamstrings, calves, glutes, and even lats. I promise you'll walk tall after this. Beginners, a slight bend in the knees is fine. Advanced stretches, reach both hands behind your heels. Here's your challenge. Can you reach a little deeper than when you started? Five seconds. Hold it. Now for the final move. It's game time. Feet hip width apart. Inhale tall, then exhale and fold. Let your arms hang and let your head drop. Let gravity stretch your spine down, vertebra by vertebra. Try grabbing opposite elbows and gently rocking side to side. This is your body's final exhale. I promise this moment of stillness will echo all day long. Now here's your challenge. Can you touch the floor without bending your knees? If not, stay consistent. Your flexibility is built 1 inch at a time. Final 5 seconds. Breathe deep.